Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're installing two condensers today on the roof. One is a 7.5 ton split, and the other one is a 3 ton split. So you can see behind me, that is the 7.5 ton split, and we're soldering right now. And here is the other one. This is the other one. And we're gonna solder here right now as well. We got some 4x4s right here that we're gonna put back on the unit here. So we're soldering. Like I said, the old ones had 2 bad compressors, and we're knocking them out. Another happy customer here for a commercial building, and everything's working out well. So call us for our AC heating and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com, okay? See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.